The USS Enterprise CVN65 was launched on September 24, 1960, making it the world's first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. At 1,123 feet, it is the longest naval vessel in the world, and at 93,284 long tons displacement, it ranks as the 11th heaviest supercarrier. Enterprise has a crew of some 4,600 people. Enterprise is also the only aircraft carrier to house more than 2 nuclear reactors. It has an attractor propulsion design, with each A2W reactor taking the place of one of the conventional boilers in earlier constructions. Enterprise is further the only carrier with 4 rudders, 2 more than other classes, and features a more cruiser-like hull. Key to Enterprise is a phased array radar system that was better at tracking multiple airborne targets than conventional rotating antenna radars. Its early phased arrays were replaced around 1980. The ship was meant to be the first of a class of 6, but construction costs ballooned and the remaining vessels were never built. Items were also cut from Enterprise's build for cost reasons. That included planned RIM-2 Terrier missile launchers. Even with its trimmed-back build, Enterprise was a massive gain for U.S. defense. Its long list of utilizations include use in a blockade effort during the Cuban Missile Crisis of 1962, becoming the first nuclear-powered ship to engage in combat when it launched aircraft in Vietnam in 1965, and providing air support for Operation Iraqi Freedom in 20,032,004. Enterprise also had an impressive film career, being featured in films such as Top Gun and The Hunt for Red October, and was possibly the inspiration for the name of the Star Trek starship. Enterprise was inactivated in December 2012 as the longest active U.S. aircraft carrier to date. It is in the process of being defueled and deactivated, and should be decommissioned in 2015. The next carrier, the CVN-80, will be the 9th USS Enterprise. Also, see for more moments in tech history, see this blog. He strives to be historically accurate with these postings. Should you see an error, please notify us. Editor's note: this article was originally posted on September 24, 2012 and edited on September 24, 2017.